Okay, real quick, here are 3 things not to do during a panic attack. First off, do not resist the panic attack. You know the saying, what we resist persists. Allow it to happen. In fact, if you really want to end it fast, encourage it to get worse. I know that sounds crazy, but paradoxical intention, as it's known, is the fastest way to stop a panic attack. Demand more, bring it on. It's like throwing a cool bucket of water on the hot fire of fear. The second thing not to do during a panic attack is to worry about your body. Your body is totally capable of handling an intense panic attack. For your body, this fight or flight response is nothing more than a vigorous workout. Trust that your body can handle all these heightened sensations. You are safe. Thirdly, do not fear future panic attacks. If you go around hoping you will never have a panic attack again, you'll end up having one. Be open to the fact that you may have many more panic attacks and just learn to be okay with that, because you know no harm will come to you. In fact, if you really want to ensure you don't have future panic attacks, start by seeking them out. Go back to those places you fear and demand to have one. You won't be able to. Trust me and try that.